Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy A1 Solution. We are going to be doing the Trump dance tutorial here. It's a quick and easy tutorial to get this dance down, and it's pretty simple. It's not that hard to do, and if you want to dance just like Trump, keep watching this video. It's super short video, super quick and easy, like I said, and if you want to be cool, if you want to get jiggy with it, you want to get groovy with it, stay tuned to this video, and see you in a second. Okay, so if you see my left arm, I am pushing it forward and backwards horizontally. And then my right arm, if you see my right arm there, I'm pushing it up and down, but it's vertically. And then my left arm is up, forward and backwards, but horizontally. And you see me moving, it's super easy. It's super easy to get down. And what he does is he uses his left arm to push forward, like I said, and his right arm to push up and down. And then he moves them like in its own little way, right? And you see me doing it, see me, look at me doing it, see? Left. I'm kind of like showing you here with a little example. See, up and down, side to side, up and down, push back. You see that? Left, oh, look at that. Right there, see, look at that. Hey, watch this, check this out. So now there's another way to do it. You just put your both your hands in a fist and you move back and forth and you kind of just jiggle your body, right? So that's how you do that. It's super quick and easy. Like, you know, then see, watch this right here. See, watch this. So so the other one was kind of like super basic, but this one, left hand, push it back and forth horizontally, and then the right hand, you push it up and down vertically. See that right there? Now I'm just like switching it up right there, looking all cool and stuff like that, because I know how to dance and switch it up. It's kind of like switching stances in the UFC or something like that. But this is the Trump tutorial. How to dance and how to move like Trump. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed and maybe learned something. It's super easy dance. You know, once you start working on it, it's like doing the moonwalk or something like that. You know, it's hard at first, but once you get it down, it's super easy. It's like it's super intuitive. If you learned something here in this video, make sure you like the video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and start making videos and start pushing out reels, shorts, and TikToks and stuff like that, and do the Trump dance yourself. And have a great day. This is your boy A1 Solution, and take care. Goodbye.